Is there any connection between the 5 koshas and Ayurveda?
There is no connection, and Ayurvedic texts do not speak anything about koshas, kundalini, chakras, etc. These are internal experiences of a yogi.
But Ayurveda talks about the 5 divisions of prana, like prana, apana, udana and so on. Is there a possibility for the treatment modality to be based on these divisions?
No, Ayurveda doesn't. Let us take for example Swarabedam. Swarabedam is disturbance in the voice. One can say it is Udanavayu that is disturbed in Swarabedam, no doubt. It is because of the disturbance of Vata, Pitta and Kapha, the Udanavayu get disturbed. Udanavayu is responsible for many functions, and one is the function of the voice. So therefore, one has to find out what is the problem based on the Gunam and Kriya, the 20 gunas that have been put into 3 categories of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. What has gone wrong, what function has gone wrong, and separate the Vata, Pitta and Kapha in order to work with that problem. I'll give one more example. For example, the texts say Apanavayu is responsible for the excretory functions, urination, bowel movement, periods. How will you treat constipation and diarrhea, which are opposite to each other? One can always say Apanavayu gets disturbed, but that's not sufficient. We cannot place a treatment modality based on that. So Ayurveda does not connect this.
It becomes too vague.
Yeah, it is too vague. No treatment modality is possible based on the Vayus. Vayus are all inferences. They suggest changes in the diet. They also give herbs. In fact, we can even say the function of the Vayu is affected because of the food what we take and the herbs. But we cannot separate the Vayu and separate the problem.